Okay, so I am starting now class. So just see, today what I will teach you the layers of soil. So as you can see in my diagram that there are different layers of soil. Okay, always remember this is horizontal layer of soil. Am I audible or not? Am I audible? Okay. Okay, so just see, I will first teach layers of soil. So this is the horizontal layers of soil. What kind of layer is one? Horizontal layers. Means do one activity. Just one handful of soil sample you collect. Okay, and in glass tumbler you just put that one handful of soil. Okay, stir it and keep it undisturbed for some period of time, near about 1 hour. Afterwards, what you will see that in given sample of soil, there are four layers. Always remember this is horizontal layer. Just remember what is the difference between horizontal and vertical layer. These are horizontal layers, like that. This is horizontal layers. What are the vertical layers? These are vertical layers. So don't get confused. This is horizontal layers of soil. So in the given sample of soil, there are five layers. Okay, just see. First layer is the humus. Already I wrote here. First one is the humus. After humus, what is there? Water is there. Then clay is there. Then sand is there. Then gravel is there. So just see. When handful of soil you will take in the glass tumbler and stir it and keep it for some period of time, then you will get the distinct layer of the soil. These distinct layer of soils, they are interconnected with each other. Means what is there? The first layer is the humus. In humus, what is there? This is only making the soil fertile. This layer is very important, and on the basis of humus only, the means the fertility of soil is determined. Okay, some soil are very fertile because their humus layer is very thick. Some soil are less fertile. When I will teach you the types of soil, then you will get the importance of soil, that how the humus is making a difference in different types of soil. Okay. So the first layer is humus. What is humus? That also I wrote here. Humus is nothing but a rotting dead matter in the soil is called humus. The rotting dead matter in the soil is called humus. It forms the upper layer of the soil. Okay, this is humus. Rotting dead organic matter means just see dry leaves may be there, another substances may be there which is degrading over the period of time. And after humus layer, what is there? Water is there. If you can see nowadays there is no means well, generally what is there, bore wells are there. In ancient days what was there? There was only one way to get the groundwater, that was the well. So when people were, just a minute, I have to accept somebody who is waiting in my lobby. Okay. Okay, no, everybody is in. Okay, so just see, in olden days, what is there? They were digging the well to get the water. So while digging the well, what is there? These different layers are very much visible. Okay, so after humus, which layer is found? After humus, water is found, and this is only underground water which we people are drinking or using for different purposes. Am I audible? Okay, after water, what is there? Clay is there. What is that one? Clay. Clay is the very very small particles, very very small particles. So they are also found in the horizontal layers of soil. And after clay, what is there? There is a thick layer of sand. Okay, everybody is aware about the sand. Balu. Okay, this sand layer is also very important, even though it is not very, what to say, strong layer, but sand is there. And after sand, what is there? After sand, there are some big particles, means bigger than bigger than sand particles. Gravels are there and they are very hard. Okay, so these are the 5 layers of soil which is found in any given sample of soil. Okay, so please make this diagram and understand how the different layers of soils are interconnected and each have got their importance. Always remember one thing, that how the soil is formed. That is the basic question. Remember, soil is formed by the weathering, by the process of weathering. What is weathering? It is the process of breaking down of rocks by the action of wind, water, and climate. So, what is weathering? Weathering is nothing but a process of breaking down of rocks by the action of wind, water, and climate. Always remember, just see. You might have heard that in the northern India, in the Ganga basin or the what to say Ganga bank, whatever land or soil is there, that is very fertile. Why? Always remember, the types of soil depends on the rocks by which it is made up of. Okay, some of the soil, they contains very what to say very fertile humus layer. Okay, because they are made up, they are formed from such type of rocks which contains a lot of humus. So weathering is, I hope that you are understanding. Weathering is the weathering is the process of breaking down of rocks by the action of wind, water, and climate. That rocks is getting degraded or getting broken by the action of wind, means this takes a lot of time. It is not a process of 1, 2, or 1 month, 2 month, or 1 year. Sometimes it takes 100 years, 200 years. And now rocks by the action of wind, water, and climate, it is degrading, it is broken into pieces, and those pieces are forming the soil. So what we can say, that ultimately the nature of soil depends upon the rocks by which it is made up of. Okay, and now try to understand. You might have heard about the means recent landslide in Uttarakhand. There are big mountains. Big mountains are there or not? Those mountains, what is there? Sometime what is there? They fall on that one. They fall on the river roadside, and what is there? The those rocks, when they come into contact of water stream, they can float to the far away places, and slowly, due to landslide, due to flood, they scattered in those areas and making the land fertile. Making the land fertile. Now, it may be fertile, may not be fertile. It depends upon the type of rock which is there. Okay. So, this is the origin of different types of soil. Okay. Please tell me. Okay, no problem. Is there any issue? I have removed my caller mic. Please speak. Hello. 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 Yes, Spurti, everything is okay. No issue. Please speak. Are you understanding? Hello. Okay. So now, in this way, how many things I have completed? I have completed the layers of soil. What is humus? Humus is what? The rotting dead matter in the soil is called humus. Okay. Afterwards, what I taught? I taught you weathering. Weathering is the process of breaking down of rocks by the action of wind, water, and climate, and by the weathering only different types of soil is formed. Now I am going to teach you the soil profile. Soil profile. What is the soil profile? It is the vertical section. Okay, right now what kind of section I have taught you? Horizontal layer. Now, vertical layer of soil I will teach you. That is called soil profile. Okay. So now I means I have to rub this one. Can I rub now? Okay. Everybody has noted down. Okay. So yes. Any doubt you can ask. Aryan, you are speaking something. The rocks are weathered by the action of wind, water, and climate. Just see. Suppose one rock is there and continuously wind is attacking on this one. So somewhat their portion will be broken. That is why I am telling you it is not a process of 1 day, 2 day, or months or year. Sometime it takes years together. Years together. Okay, just a minute. Now somebody is in the lobby. I have to admit him. Okay. Just a minute. Let me take her in. Okay. Okay. Now ask. Below the gravels. Actually, gravels, that size varies. Some places small size is there, and some places very big particles are there, but all are gravel only. Okay, and they are very hard. Hmm. Any other issues? Please ask. Please don't share who is presenting. Nobody should present. Nobody should share. Just a minute. Who is presenting? Okay, please speak now. It is not visible. Okay, just see. Now it is visible. Okay. Now I am so many times I have repeated the same sentence. Okay, so many times. It is the process of breaking down of rocks by the action of wind, water, and climate, and by the process of weathering only soil is formed. That is why the nature of soil depends upon the rocks by which it is made up of. Okay. Shall I move ahead now? Okay. So again, I will apply the collar knife. Your questions are always hello, hello. Okay. Spurti, you mute everyone. Mute. Ask. Now note down. I will erase now because I require space in the blackboard. Okay. So still time is there. Within 2 minutes, just you note down. Okay. Ask. Of course, temperature is also one of the matter. That is why now this is the This is the only things that rocks will be broken. Temperature is also one of the factor. That is why I wrote na climate. What is the meaning of climate? Okay. Now let me make one fellow. Okay. Just a minute. Spurti, you are not co-host now. Okay. Don't worry. There is a no requirement of now co-host. I myself will arrange the things. Okay. So noted down questions. Okay. So now let us move ahead. Okay. So let us move ahead. Okay. So now next one is soil profile. Soil profile. I am rubbing now. Okay. Just keep noting the things. Okay. Soil profile. Vertical section through different layers of the soil. Vertical, vertical section, vertical section through different layers of soil. Different layers of soil is called soil profile. Okay, each each layer in soil profile soil profile is called horizon. Each layer in soil profile diagram is called horizon. Horizons. Each layer each layer is differed in feel, color, feel, color, and chemical composition. And chemical composition. So first you note down this one. Okay. Hello. 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 Ah. Ah. Any problem? Hello. So little bit now, just a minute, I will use my own net. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now it is clear. Hello. Okay. So now what I am going to teach you, soil profile. So what is the difference between layer of soil and soil profile? Just see. Now in the layers of soil, whatever layers were there, their vertical section is called soil profile. So soil profile, what I wrote there, vertical section through different layers of soil is called soil profile. Okay, are you getting my point? Vertical section through different layers of soil. So how many layers of soil I taught? I taught you humus, means humus, water, clay, sand, and gravel. So their vertical section means, just a minute. See here. This is layers of soil. Layers of soil. Now, like that section is called soil profile. That is called soil profile. Is there problem in the sound? Okay, so just see, this is called soil profile. So vertical section through different layers of soil, that is called soil profile. Each layer in soil profile diagram is called horizons. Okay, so just see, means vertical section. Hello. uh No, that is the problem now. What to do? Now, these are the practical problems. That may be the okay. Now echo will be there. I know. Okay. So just see. Now it's okay. Each layer in soil profile diagram is called horizons. Means horizon A, horizon B, horizon C. It is like that. Okay. And each layer is differed in feel, means texture, color, and chemical composition. When I will teach you the diagram of soil profile, then you will come to know. Okay. So just see. See here. This is this. Hello. Okay. So just see here. Ah. Hello. Now some problem is there. It is not responding properly. Okay. Just see. Not three types, basically four types. I am showing the diagram and will make also. This is page number 98. Page number 98. Okay. I will make that diagram. Don't worry. Hello. So just see horizon A, horizon B, horizon C, and bedrock. So just see these horizons, they are different from they are different from each other. Means no layer is same. one layer is different from other layer in terms of feel, color and chemical composition. Okay, and I will write the characteristics of each horizon. Don't worry, right now whatever I wrote there, you just note down that much. Okay. Hello. No, I will make separate diagram, don't worry. If you can make those diagram from the textbook, then I will explain only. Okay, that is the page number 98. Soil profile diagram. Soil profile diagram. It is there in the page number 98. Hello. No. Okay. No one is speaking. Okay. So ask doubt whatever things I taught today. Ask. No, no. Already I explained you now. Whatever layers are there, their vertical section, humus will be there. Means all layers would be there, but their vertical section. That diagram I made na here. See, this is, try to understand. This is horizontal layers, horizontal layers. Now their vertical section, like that. This vertical section is called soil profile. Okay. Hello. Okay. So tomorrow I will explain with the diagram, because the schedule meeting is up to 40 minutes only. If I will make that diagram, then meeting will be end. So whatever today I have taught, that is enough. Just you note down the questions. Okay, those questions. First question is what do you mean by the layers of soil? So what you will write, the horizontal layer of soil is called the layers of soil. Then name the different layers of soil. Name the different layers of soil. Next one is what is humus, what is weathering, what is soil profile. Okay, so let me write those questions. Okay, just a minute. I will write those questions. Just a minute. The first question is right, question number one. What do you mean by what do you mean by layers of soil? Layers of soil. Next one is name the different layers of soil. Name the different layers of soil. Different layers of soil. Question number third. Third one is draw the diagrams of layers of soil. Layers of soil. Okay. Next one is question number 4. What is humus? What is humus? What is humus? Now question number 5. What is weathering? What is weathering? The last question is, what is soil profile? What is what is soil profile? What is soil profile? Okay. So please note down these questions. Hello. 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 Okay. I will use my net. Just a minute. Okay. Okay. Hello. Hello. No one is speaking. No one is speaking. Okay. So now I am going to end the meeting. Okay. Today there is a problem in the voice. Now what to do? Even though I am using my net, then also problem is there. Don't send, just keep with you. Okay? So okay, I am ending the meeting. Thank you.